Gonna make some lunch. Don't know what I want. Oh, I know. We're just gonna bring lunch with me, so homie ain't tempted to get no McDonald's or anything. So, you can't see much of it yet because I'm still a fatty. But in the beginning of the year, I told you guys I was going to kind of keep you updated as to what I was doing to lose weight. Okay. So I started the year at a shameful weight. I started at 430 pounds. Man, one of my buddies messaged me just now, but I can't answer it yet. One of the ones that's kind of helping me along this journey. So, started at 430 pounds, dude. It's a lot. It's terrible. So I weighed myself in yesterday, and I'm at 391. It's a pretty substantial weight loss, you know. Granted, I'm big. There's going to be fluctuations and stuff. So what I'm doing different. I would work out and stuff. You know, stuff like that. But here's what I'm doing different. One of the things. I'm following a diet plan now. So, on the days where I work out, you know, I'll have a protein shake. See the bananas up in the corner, eat one of those a day. With the protein shake, add some powdered peanut butter to it. And go work out for 2 hours a day, 6 days a week at the gym. Okay. One of the other things, though, is I'm changing how I'm eating. So as everything's getting prepared now, you're gonna see. So for instance, today, let me turn that down a little bit. Actually, take my headphones off here. Just go like this. Instead of having the chance to go and get McDonald's or some other stuff, I'm going to go ahead and make my lunch and bring my lunch to work with me. So, this is 93.7. This is ground beef or ground turkey. It's pretty simple, actually. It's actually not all that hard, dude. So, just get some salt and pepper. And I'll show you one of my favorite meals to make. What else did I need? Oh. Okay, so rice. So this stuff's good to have early in the day, obviously. Let me get an open one, actually. There's so many open rices. Rice is cheap, though, and it's easy to make. And really super good for you, too. So, if we're going to do rice, make it 1 cup. 1 cup of rice. Actually, we're going to lower that. So I'm going to split that into 4. So do 1/4 of a cup of rice. I mean, I'm going to make the whole cup, but I'm going to split the servings into 4 because my lunch is literally going to be right here in this little container. There's rice, beans if you want beans and stuff. Portion everything out. There you go. And when I get everything, I'm not gonna make you guys sit through the whole thing. when I get everything situated, I'll show you how to make it. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. So, can't find my cutting board, so we're going to have to do this on a clean. We're going to have to do this on a clean, you know, little rag or something. I like onions. I can imagine the hate comments now. Not the hate comments, but oh, tea time. It's now a cooking show. Steel 58, I'm talking to you. Now, just showing you guys what I'm doing. As I said, want to be held accountable for what I said I was going to do at the beginning of the year. I'm over here wasting food, throwing it on the floor. I did squats yesterday, man. I'm hurting. I have a strong suspicion that that's gonna. There you go. Alright, so you got the rice going. Actually, I'm gonna throw a little bit of that in the rice too. That oil is gonna get me. I know it is. Oil, I know you're coming for me. I know you are. That oil's trying to get me, guys. Can of tuna, because tuna has some real good protein in it. Tuna and water, though. I mean, you can get all the oils and stuff, but not me. I'm just doing water. And like all the supplies for this stuff, maybe we'll go ahead and turn that off for a second. Like I bought a week's worth of supplies, of these supplies here, and it cost me maybe, I don't know, I think it was like $30 or something. Alright, here we go. So, I cook these in with this. And this is just the store brand tuna, cheap stuff. I think the can of tuna has, actually it's got some right here. It's got 12 grams of protein, 60 calories, not too bad. And then you, I don't know, take a little bit of the ground turkey. And keep in mind, this stuff is pretty soft. So, wash your hands. And I'll come back to you guys when everything is done cooking. Well, not done, but when I'm ready to show you guys the other stuff. Alright, so now that it's pretty much ready, I remember when like you have the tuna in the can, that stuff's already pretty much cooked. So if you're gonna make anything with it, you need to just go ahead and put this on low or medium heat. So this is tuna and ground turkey in here. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of pepper to the, well, I don't really have to do that actually. A little bit of pepper to this. And that's pretty much it. Takes about 20 minutes to like make that. It's not bad at all. And literally, make sure I don't get a lot of grease in there. I'm gonna do all the meat because I want to try to load up on as much protein as I can, and a fourth of the cup of rice. There. And that's going to be my lunch for today. Literally, that simple. Takes about 20 minutes to make. Absolutely no excuses to hit the restaurant or McDonald's about my job. Got my lunch made. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the fridge, let it get cold, and that's it. That's really it. And one of the important things that I'm finding about the weight that I'm losing, some stuff that D-Town pointed out, some stuff that my personal trainers pointed out, and a couple of my teammates have pointed out, just don't leave opportunities open for yourself. You want to go to the gym, go to the gym. Okay? That's what I'm doing 6 days a week. Go to the gym. Go work out. Let me take this off the tripod here. Don't leave opportunities open for yourself. Like right now, I could have not made lunch today and been like, oh, I'll just grab something at the restaurant next door or something. Prepare for it. And D-Town told me this, so did a couple other people. Don't drink your calories. Don't, so in other words, don't do Pepsi or Coca-Cola or any of those. I stopped drinking sodas. I'm just drinking water pretty much. As you can see right here. Like, right there, you have bottled water. Go in my bedroom here. What's up, Skittle? You know? Bottled water on deck. Bottled water on deck with some green tea and some yerba mate and like a White Claw beer, or not beer, but hard seltzer that, quite honestly, probably gonna stay in there for a while because I'm not really interested in it. But that's really it, man. You know, make lunch, bring lunch. Look at what you're eating. Go follow by the serving sizes. All common common sense stuff that it's really that simple. I mean, obviously, it's not like the most simple because nobody would be overweight. I wouldn't be overweight. But it's all stuff that can easily be taken care of. And so that meal that I'm going to eat in there, that's got about 30 grams of protein in it. It's got some carbs from the rice and stuff. A lot of vitamins, a lot of minerals. It's just, you just have to think about it a little bit. And I'm going to bring some green tea with me. I had my yerba mate for the morning. Bring some green tea with me because that helps with your metabolism and stuff. And that's what I've been doing. That's how I've gone from 230 to 230. Wow, I wish. That's how I've gone from 430 to 391. Not saying I don't drink soda. I'll have a soda. I think I've had 2 this week. But, just control it. Don't. Because honestly, dude, I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I was buying gallons of ice cream and eating it in a day or 2. I'm serious. I remember a couple months ago, there was a sale at my work for 12 packs, right? So you got 4 for, I think, $10 or something. Those 4 12 packs of soda were gone in 3 days. 3 days. Actually, I think it was more like 2.5. That's horrible. That is horrible, dude. It's not the most complicated thing in the world, but it's something you have to want. And I wanted to not be unhealthy anymore. I wanted to make changes. And I'm going to make them. I mean, obviously, it's nothing big, but like my arms are getting a little bit bigger now. As you can see, there's a little bit more muscle there. My legs, my belly still needs work, but there's improvement coming. And it's 80% diet, 20% working out. But that 20% is the hardest 20% ever. Because let me tell you, dude, there are days, like today's my rest day. I'm not going to the gym today. But there are days where I get up and I'm like, fuck this gym. I don't want to go. And then I remember, fuck 430 pounds. I don't want to go back. So that's one of the things that's helping me out. D-Tone, actually, off of YouTube, D-Tone's been a lot of help to me. So thank you, bro. I appreciate it. That's what it is, man. Y'all have a good day. Later. Yeah, and go Giants. That's for you, Beast to the East. Because of the conversation we had the other day. I'll make one, don't worry. But right now I'm concentrating more on getting myself in shape and not dying by the time I'm 40, Later.